Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your substitutions aren't working in Fantasy Premier League, do not worry. In this guide, I'll show you the most common reasons why your FPL substitutions are not working and how to fix them. So automatic substitutions are only processed after all matches in the game week have finished. If the game week is still in the progress, your bench players won't be substituted yet. So check if your starter played any minutes. A player is only automatically substituted if they played 0 minutes during the entire game week, even if they came on for just 1 minute, and no auto sub will occur. FPL always brings on the first eligible substitute from your bench. If your first bench player didn't play or would create an invalid formation, FPL moves to the next eligible player. Make sure that your bench is arranged in the order you prefer before the deadline, and automatic substitutions cannot create an invalid team formation. Your final lineup always must have one goalkeeper, at least three defenders, at least two midfielders, and at least one forward. If bringing on a substitute would break these rules, FPL will choose another eligible player or make no substitution. Confirm your bench player played, and your substitute must have played minutes in the game week. Your substitute must have played minutes in the game week. If your bench player also scored 0 minutes, they cannot replace the starter. So sometimes your team hasn't updated yet. Close or reopen the FPL application, or if you're using the web browser, go ahead and clear the cache and refresh your page as well. You can also try logging out of your FPL account and log back in. And occasionally, FPL takes some time to process automatic substitutions after the final match of the game week. If everything looks correct, wait a little while and check again later. And if your substitutions still haven't applied, even though all conditions are met, contact the Fantasy Premier League support for further assistance. So that's it. These are the best ways to fix the Fantasy Premier League substitutions not working. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.